Okay, how to find the sum of the first n terms for an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so to find the sum of the first n term, we need to use this formula. Okay, as n equals to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so let's say we have term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 and so on. Okay, and so on. So if we want to find S1, S1 it is equal T1. Okay, the sum for the first term, S1 it is equal T1. If we want to find the sum of the first second term, okay, the first n term, that means first second term, S2. Okay, which means T1 plus T2. If you want to find the sum of the first three terms, okay, the first three terms, that means S3. So you need to solve, you need to find T1 plus T2 plus T3. Okay. Okay, that means sum tu maksudnya kita kena tambah. Okay. So T1 it is S1. Okay. Kalau nak cari S2, that means T1 plus T2 we get S2. Kalau nak cari S3, that means T1 plus T2 plus T3 we get S3. Okay, dah faham tak? Alright. So if you want to find S10, okay, sum of the first 10 term, S10, S yang ke-10. Okay, takkan kamu nak kira T1, okay, takkan nak kira T1 plus T2 plus T3 sampailah T10, betul tak? So takkan macam tu. So we need to use this formula. Okay, boleh nak? You faham? Okay, look at example 4. Okay, given the sequence 2, 7, 12, okay, this is sequence, okay. Find the sum of the first three terms. Okay, to find the sum of the first three terms. Okay, we know that this is T1, T2, T3 and so on. Okay, so kita nak cari sum. Okay, we need to use this formula. Okay, Sn equals to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d. So, as you can see this, okay, we need to know what is the value for a and d. Right? Okay, a, what is a? A is the first term and d is common difference. So, first we need to find a. A, it is equal first term, which is 2. Okay, what is d? D, which means T2 minus T1. Common difference there. Okay, 7 minus 2, it is equal 5. Okay, then we can find the sum of the first three terms. Okay, Sn, it is equal n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 d. So the first three terms, that means 3 lah. Okay, yang ketiga ni. Okay, that means S3. Okay, where n is 3, so 3 over 2 times 2a, where a is 2. Okay, plus, okay, n minus 1. So we know that n is 3, 3 minus 1 you get 2. Times d, d is 5. Okay, then you can calculate. Okay, so 3 over 2, 2 times 2 you get 4, plus 2 times 5 you get 10. Right? Okay, so 4 plus 10 you get 14. Okay, you get 14 here, times 3 over 2, how do you get? You will get 21. So this is the answer. Okay, you faham tak? Okay, next, example 5. Okay, example 5. Find the number of terms. The number of terms that exist in this sequence. Okay, we know that this is T1, T2, T3. But we don't know what is the term for negative 138. So, ini yang dimaksudkan the number of term. Find the number of term, which is n term. Okay, n term for the value negative 138. Okay, kita tahu untuk negative 3 ini, negative 3 it is the first term, negative 8 it is second term, negative 13 it is the third term. So what is the n term, okay, for the value negative 138? Kita tak tahu berapa term dia adalah term yang keberapa, kita tak tahu. So how to find the value? Okay, so Tn, okay, because of the number of terms, right? So we use T, not kita tak guna S. Okay, kita guna Tn, it is equal negative 138. Okay, negative 138. Okay, so what is the formula for T? Okay, Tn apa dia? Tn it is equal A plus n minus 1D, right? Okay, so A, masukkan dalam formula dia, masukkan dalam Tn dia, A plus n minus 1D. It is equal negative 138. Okay, so what is A? What is D? Okay, what is A? What is D? So we need to find. See, A it is equal the first term, which is negative 3. And then what is D? Common difference dia, T2 minus T1, negative 8 minus negative 3. Okay, negative it is positive, right? So negative 8 plus 3, how do you get? You will get negative 5. Okay, then substitute into formula. A is negative 3 plus n kita tak tahu sebab n yang kita nak cari. Okay, n minus 1, D is negative 5 equals negative 138. Okay, and then yang ni kita kena kembangkan dia. Okay, expandkan dia yang ni. Alright, so negative 3. Okay, negative 5 times n, you will get negative 5n. Okay, negative 5 times negative 1. Okay, negative positive, so positive 5 equals negative 138. Okay, so negative 3 plus 5, you will get okay, 5 minus 3. Okay, you will get 2, right? Okay, 2 minus 5n, negative 138. Okay, and then we need to find the value for n. So 2 pindah sebelah, dia akan jadi negative. So negative 138 minus 2, you will get negative 140. Okay, and then we need to find the value for n. Negative 140 divided by negative 5. You will get, okay, you will get what? Okay, negative 140 divided by 5, you will get 28. This is the answer. That means, okay, the number of terms for this sequence, okay, the number of terms for this sequence, okay, terms dia ada 28. Okay, sebab yang ni yang terakhir. Okay, this is value yang, the last value, negative 138 ni, the last value. So, kita nak tahu what is the n terms for the last value, which is 28. Alright. Okay. Dah faham nak? Alright, next, look at example 6. Okay, the seventh term of an arithmetic sequence is 27. And the 12th terms is 47. Okay, so dia dah bagi tahu dah arithmetic sequence. Okay, dia dah bagi tahu 7th term is 27. Okay, so awak kena write down T7 it is equal 27. And then 12th term is 47. Okay, 12th term is 47. Okay, write down. T12, it is equal 47. Okay. And then, since this is terms, right? Okay. What is the formula for terms? Tn, it is equal A plus n minus 1D. Okay, masukkan dia dalam ni. Okay, A plus. We know that n is 7, right? So, 7 minus 1, you get 6D. Okay, A and D kita tak tahu. Tak apa, biar je. Okay. For T12, okay, use this formula. Okay, A plus, where n is 12, 12 minus 1, you get 11. D equals 47. So this is the first equation, this is second equation. Okay, so nampak tak kat situ, kita kena guna konsep simultaneous equation. Okay, sebab apa? Okay, soalan minta apa? Find the sequence. Okay, find the sequence. Okay, first we need to find the A first. Okay, nak cari A and D. Okay, we need to find the first term and common difference dia dulu. Okay, so A plus 60 equals 27. Okay, A plus, ini saya combinekan dia dulu, equals 47. Okay, this is first term, this is second term. Okay, so awak tengok apa value yang sama kat sini? Value A, right? Okay, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so bila value A dah sama, kita eliminate the value A first. Okay, we can find the value for D. Okay, eliminatekan dia dulu. So 1 minus 2. Okay, nak hapuskan dia guna konsep minus lah. A minus A dah dapat 0. So kita boleh cari D. Okay, 6 minus 11, you will get negative 5D. Okay, 27 minus 47, you will get negative 20. Right? Then we can find the value for D, negative 20 minus negative 5, you will get 4. Okay, so bila dah tahu D is 4, then we can find value for A, substitute into first equation. Okay, mana-mana equation awak nak ambil pun tak apa, second equation boleh, first equation pun boleh. Okay, you will get the same answer. So A, this is from 1 lah. Okay, from 1, A plus 6, where D is 4, equals 27. Okay, 6 times 4, how do you get? You will get 24 equals 27. So, to get the value for A, 27 minus 24, it is equal 3. Okay. So, we know that A, it is equal the first term. Okay, T1, it is equal A, which is 3. Okay. Apa maksud find? Find the sequence. Find the sequence macam ni lah. Okay, this is sequence. Okay, ni sequence. Okay. Kita kena tahu what is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay. So, inilah konsep cara nak cari sequence. Okay. Dia bagi clue kat sini. 7 term is 27, 12 term is 47. Okay. Then use the formula. Okay. So, to get the value for A and D. Bila dah dapat A and D, then we can find the sequence. Okay. The first term is 3. How to find the second term? Okay, the second term, use this formula. Okay, where A is 3 plus n minus 1. N is 2, right? So 2 minus 1, you get 1 times D, where D is 4. So 3 plus 4, you get 7. How to find the third term? Okay, so A is 3 plus, okay, where n is 3, 3 minus 1, you will get 2 times D, which is 4. 2 times 4, you get 8, plus 3, you will get 11. Okay, the fourth term. Okay, 3 plus, okay, 4 minus 1, you will get 3 times 4. Okay, D is 4. 3 times 4, you get 12, plus 3, you will get 15. Therefore, The answer is, okay, the answer for sequence is 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. This is the answer. Okay, soalan minta sequence. Boleh? Ni faham tak? Okay. Right. Okay, example 7. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression. The sum. Okay, bila sum ada S ni, sum ni that means use S. Okay, Sn. Okay, but first kita kena tahu dulu sum of the arithmetic progression. Okay, maksudnya total dia sebenarnya. Kita nak cari total. Okay, we know that this is the first term, second term, third term. But what is the term for negative 10? What is the n term for negative 10? Kita tak tahu. Okay, negative 10 ni berapa, term yang keberapa kita tak tahu. So, kita kena tahu dulu what is the n term for negative 10. Okay, barulah kita boleh proceed cari Sn ni. Okay, the sum of the arithmetic progression. Okay, first cari n term dia. Okay, macam example 5. Okay, like example 5 macam tadi kita buat. Okay, so first we need to know A. A is 5. What is D? Common difference. 3.5 minus 5. You will get 1 point, negative 1.5. Okay, negative 1.5. And then, okay, since we want to find the n term, so we use T first. T and it is equal negative 10. Okay, we know that the formula for T apa dia? A plus n minus 1 D, it is equal negative 10. Where A is 5, masukkan dalam formula. Plus n minus 1. What is D? D is negative 1.5. Equals negative 10. Okay, and then what? Expand kan dia ni. Ni expand. Okay. So 5 plus. Okay, negative positive, it is negative, right? So negative 1.5 n. Okay, negative 1.5 times 1, negative 1, it is positive 1.5. Okay, it is equal negative 10. Okay, so 5 plus 1.5, you will get 6.5 minus 1.5 n, it is equal negative 10. Okay, so we want to find the value for n. Okay, so 6.5 bawa pindah sebelah, dia akan jadi negative. Okay, negative 10 minus 6.5, you will get negative 16.5. Okay, what is the value for n? Okay, negative 16.5 divided by negative 1.5. What is the answer? Okay, calculate, you will get 11. So, we know that, okay, negative 10 ni, it is term yang ke-11. Okay, term yang ke-11. So, we know that the total for sequence is 11 term. Okay, 11 term. Then, we can find the sum of the arithmetic progression. Okay, which is Sn is equal, use the formula n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, the sum of the arithmetic progression, dia tak bagi tahu the sum of the first 3 terms ke, the sum of the second term ke. Tapi the sum of the arithmetic progression, that means total kan dia. That means kita ambil yang ke-11 terus. Okay, dia nak ke semua. Okay, dia nak yang semua. So, S11 equals 11 over 2 times 2a is 5 plus, where n is 11, and 11 minus 1, you will get 10. D is negative 1.5. Okay, so calculate. 2 times 5, you get 10. Okay, 10 times negative 1.5. Okay, you will get 15, right? Okay, negative 15. Okay. Okay, solve this one. Okay, negative 15 plus 10, you will get negative 5. Okay, then the answer is negative 55 over 2. This is the answer. Okay, boleh? Alright. Last one, example 8. Find the sum of all the odd numbers between 100 and 20. Okay, odd numbers. Dia nak the sum, which is S, N. Okay, odd numbers between. Okay, between 100 and 200. So, macam mana 100 and 200? Maksud between dia, starting with 101, 103, 105, and so on until 199. Okay, sebab dia nak between and then odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers. So we know that this is T1, this is T2, T3, and we don't know what is the n term for 199. Kita tak tahu berapa. So we need to find the n term first for 199. Okay, then barulah kita boleh cari the sum dia. Use Sn. Okay, macam tadi juga. Okay, macam tadi. So Tn, it is equal 199. Okay, use the formula A plus N minus 1 D. It is equal 199. Okay, so how to find the A? How to find D? Okay, use this sequence. Okay, we know that A equals to 101, right? Okay, A it is equal the first term, 101. Okay, 101. Okay, and then what is D? T2 minus T1, 103 minus 101. It is equal 2, right? Okay, so substitute into the formula 101 plus N kita tak tahu, D is 2, 199. Okay, and then 2 times N, 2 times 1. Okay, expand kan dia. Okay, so 101 plus 2N minus 2, it is equal 199. Okay, and then 101 minus 2, how do you get? Okay, 2N kekalkan, 101 minus 2, you will get 99. It is equal 199. So, we need to find the value for N. So, 99 pindah sebelah, dia akan jadi negative. So, 199 minus 99, you will get 100, right? Okay, you will get 100. And then, to find the value for N, 100 divided by 2, you will get 50. Okay, boleh? So, kita dah tahu dah. Okay, that means 199 ni is the T50. Okay, T yang ke-50. Okay, term yang ke-50. That means total sequence. Okay, total sequence semua ni, we have 50 terms. So, soalan minta apa? The sum of all the odd numbers. Okay, that means 50 terms ni. So, we need to find Sn, it is equal n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, dia nak cari all, right? So, 50 terms lah. So, S 50. Okay, where n is 50, so 50 divided by 2 times 2a. A is 101 plus n is 50, right? So, 50 minus 1, you will get 49. Times D. What is D? D is 2. Okay. Kat sini. Ini kita dah cari dah ni. Okay. And then, you can solve 50 divided by 2. You will get 25. Okay. 101 times 2. You will get what? 202. 49 times 2, you will get 98. Okay, tambah kedua-dua ni. 202 plus 98 times 25. You will get 7,500. So, this is the answer. Okay. Boleh. Okay, kalau tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay.